Hello, so I made this N8N workflow for Photoshop receipt. So whenever we uploaded here in the Google Drive the photo of a receipt, and it will be the details will be captured here in the Google Sheets. Okay, so let's try it. Um, cancel. Okay, let's try again. I used Gemma Gemini 2.0 Flash. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, so like that, it will capture all. I use here 2.0 Flash, so I can read the image better. Then parse this one. So this one I use Cloud AI to do this. So from image, then it will get the format here, output format that we can append to Google Sheets. Okay, that's all. Bye.